The other half of mi corazón. You ordered me to destroy this mall. But I kept it for protection from you. Now I want you to destroy it.